Can we please celebrate God's servant? Our daddy is in the house. Prophet Amos Fenwa. And come on, you want to shout? God's choice apostle is around. Celebrate Apostle Joshua Selman. It's really an honor to have you, sir. Please be seated. Can you imagine? Inspiration is beginning to dry off. I was so worried before. Now be careful. Hope this thing I'm saying is not wrong. Don't worry. If I'm wrong, I will go back to the apostolic college and be instructed more correctly. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. And so wealth is not money. Wealth is how much of the voice of God you have. When the voice of God is spoken in your direction, it can cause the hind to calve. It can discover the mysteries of the forest. It can go to the belly of the sea and bring the wealth to you. And so the first way to activate the operation of the Holy Ghost is to join in the spirit until you find the voice. Prayer is not powerful in itself, except as prayer is a vehicle for accessing where the voice dwells. And that's why wise men of old, what they do is that they join in the spirit. When they are worshiping, they are not singing necessarily. They know that that song is a vehicle. When they are praying, they are not just carrying out a religious activity. There are many religions that pray, but only the prayer of the spirit carries us to where the voice dwells. And so when we are done praying, we don't come out as prayer champions. We come out with voices. We come out with verdicts. We come out with oracles. We come out with mysteries. And the mysteries we come out with make us commanders on the face of the earth. And so the first thing and the first protocol that gives a man an eternal advantage is access to the voice of God. That's why intimacy becomes a vehicle and a reality of the spirit that no Christian can tamper with. If you joke with it, you are gone. If it's going to be by the spirit, then it will be by intimacy, because intimacy is the vehicle to the voice.